YouTube, what's up, guys? It's your boy S-Dub. Time to murder some boredom today. So, I got a client, a gentleman. He saw me wrenching on my nonsense, and I guess he saw my nonsense, and he saw me a few weeks ago wrenching on my car, changing the brakes, and he asked, "Do I work on cars?" I told him I work on anything, you know. So basically, he said his wife's vehicle has her driver's side window is off track, and he needs somebody to throw it back on. So I figured I'll bring y'all on my little excursion. So let's get it. All right, so I just got to the property. He's already been working on it. He said he tried to get it off. He couldn't. Looks like he got everything off except the center console right here. Let's see if this one pries out. Yep. There you go. There we go. Right there. That's the only screw holding it in. Let's get that out. All right, so I removed the screw and the door assembly, everything came off. So now I'm gonna bring it down. This particular car only has one track right here, or a double track that's on a singular pivot. Okay, let's see if we can get this window moving. The window itself is stuck. What are you stuck on? Now I have to line it on the track. There we go, gotcha. Okay. All right. Now what I'm doing is right here. I'm lining the mirror on the two tracks, or the window right there. All right. I gotta level it. Okay, I'm gonna line it on here. All right, they're lined up now. Right there. It's lined there, and it's lined on here. See, but the issue right now, you see it came down, is because there's no pinching pressure that's keeping the window in. That's an easy little fix. I just need, hopefully I could tighten these right here and that'll crimp it down. Most windows work like that. Some other windows have a wing nut where you could tighten it and clamp it. Other windows are too big and you actually have to force it in there. So I'm gonna see if I could just tighten it. So I ended up going with Gorilla Glue. He happened to have some. So what you want to do is damp the area. So what I'm going to do is damp the glass, but basically pretty simple. Get the glue, put it up top like so. That way when the window goes in, it'll be completely down. There you go. All right, now we're gonna hit this side same way. Put one in the center and then one on the back end. And we're gonna let this sit for 24 hours. That's the proper time for Gorilla Glue. And that 24-hour wait will let us know. A quick, simple, cheap fix. There we go. All right, now we got glue in there. Okay, so I already have it lined up. So what I'm gonna do is, there we go. Now I'm gonna roll the window up. And that click noise is me going all the way up to make sure I get a good solid connection. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 2 hours and I'll get back to you and we'll check it out. Okay, the door is back together. I have the top part on the window hinge. I have the screw in here, but the bottom, the owner, he broke all the, let's see, he broke all of the latches. So the latches that goes like, can I get a view? In those holes right there, there's little plastic clips. They're missing. So I have a bag of them. I don't have them with me. I'm gonna go home and come back tomorrow and get them. But this has been 27 hours since it's been on. The owner, they've already been rolling it up and down. There it is. No problem. So thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.